Good morning, 7th and 8th graders. Mr. Brennan here to explain your Real World Wednesday. What we're going to have you do today is we're going to have you look at some invasive species of Minnesota. So your first thing is I want you to go to this Minnesota DNR link to look at their description of what an invasive species is. Then I'll have you watch out this short video that talks about invasive species. And then using this link, I'd like you to fill in what are 3 ways that we can help stop the spread of aquatic invasive species, or how can those be minimized in Minnesota waterways? You fill those in. That comes right from this link on this website. And after looking at all 3 of these things, provide what your definition is of an invasive species. Do not just copy it right from Google, but after looking at this, how would you describe it to somebody else? Someone else asked you, what is an invasive species? How would you describe that? Then on the next slide, you are going to get to choose between an aquatic invasive animal or a terrestrial invasive animal. Those are going to be linked to Minnesota DNR websites, where you will go to this page. Once you click on it, this is the invasive aquatic animals. So you get to choose one of these. It'll pull it up. It'll describe it. What does it look like? Where did it come from, and how is it spread? Why is it a threat to Minnesota waters? And then what you should do. You see them. And then control methods. We'll talk about how are they trying to control that. All right on this one page. So all that information is there for you. What you're going to do is you're going to go back and you're going to fill in what species did you research? Where is it native? Why is it a problem? And then how are we controlling it? We're helping to stop the spread. That is your task for today for Real World Wednesday. If you do have questions, please reach out. Enjoy your day.